Hey there, young astronaut. Are you ready to blast off on an exciting rocket trip into outer space? Buckle up and get ready to zoom past planets and other cool things in our solar system. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Let's go! First stop, the Sun. This big ball of burning hot gas is the center of our solar system. Everything in our solar system goes around the Sun. The Sun is so massive that Earth simply vanishes into its colossal depths. Our star gives us light and heat. Without the Sun, Earth would be a frozen block of ice. Next up, we're flying past tiny Mercury. This small rocky planet is the closest to the Sun. It's so close that Mercury makes a full spin in just 59 Earth days. That means if you were to play a song on Mercury, it would end before you even finished brushing your teeth. Mercury has no atmosphere to speak of, so if you were to take a walk on Mercury, you wouldn't be able to breathe. And it gets even crazier. Mercury's surface can reach temperatures of 427 degrees Celsius. On the downside, Mercury is very close to the Sun. But on the upside, it also means that it's very close to Earth. If you had a telescope on Mercury, you could see our beautiful blue planet in all its glory. Let's continue our journey to the next planet, the gorgeous Venus. You may notice that Venus looks very similar to Earth. In fact, they're almost the same size. But don't be fooled by its beauty because Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus is wrapped in thick clouds which trap heat from the Sun. Underneath those clouds, the pressure is thousands of times higher than here on Earth. If you tried to fly to Venus in a spaceship, you'd be met with temperatures as high as 460 degrees Celsius. No spacesuit or spaceship currently known to humankind could survive such high temperatures. The only way to get to Venus is by digging through those thick clouds. And when you finally made it, you'd be met with a yellow sky. Because of its thick cloud cover, Venus looks bright and beautiful from Earth. In fact, it's the brightest speck of light in the night sky after the Moon and the Sun. Next up, let's fly over to the planet we all call home, the wonderful Earth. Our planet is unique because it's the only planet we know of that has life. Earth is the biggest of the 4 small rocky planets. It's covered with lots of water and has a cozy atmosphere where we can breathe. All the other planets are either too hot or too cold for us humans, and none of them have enough water for us to drink. After Earth comes the fascinating red planet, Mars. Mars is a cold, dry planet with a thin atmosphere. Its surface is rusty red in color, hence the nickname the Red Planet. Scientists think that long ago, Mars had flowing water and a thicker atmosphere. Back then, it could have been a great place for life to evolve. Today, we're still looking for signs of ancient life on Mars. And in the far future, Mars could become a new home for humans. Next up, let's fly past huge Jupiter. This gas giant is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is so massive that Earth simply vanishes into its colossal depths. Jupiter has a famous big red spot. This is actually a gigantic storm. It's so big that Earth could fit inside it 30 times. Jupiter has dozens of known moons. Some of these moons could even have their own rings. Let's continue our journey to the next planet, the beautiful Saturn. This gas giant is the second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is known for its gorgeous rings. These rings are mostly made out of ice. Scientists think that billions of years ago, Saturn's rings were much bigger. They used to extend hundreds of thousands of kilometers out into space. Somehow, most of the rings disappeared over time. Saturn has dozens of known moons. Some of these moons are very special because they have active volcanoes. Imagine having a volcano on the moon. That's what Saturn's moon Enceladus has. Hot water shoots out of its active volcanoes. This creates a huge plume of water vapor. After Saturn, let's fly over to the sideways planet, Uranus. This ice giant spins on its side. Most planets in the solar system rotate on their axes with just a slight tilt. Uranus must have been hit by something huge in the past. That's the only explanation for its extreme tilt. Uranus has no rings to speak of, and its atmosphere is very cold. If you were to fly over Uranus in a spaceship, you'd feel freezing cold winds. And although Uranus looks blue in this video, it's actually greenish in real life. Uranus is so far away from the sun that it receives very little sunlight. That's why Uranus is very dark. Uranus has at least a dozen known moons. Some of these moons have very strange names. Take a look at this list. Next up, we're flying past the farthest planet in the solar system, Neptune. Just like Uranus, Neptune is an ice giant. In fact, both planets are so similar that scientists believe they formed from the same cloud of gas and dust. Neptune is so far away from the sun that it takes one full year just to receive as much sunlight as Earth does in 2 minutes. No wonder Neptune is very dark. Neptune's atmosphere has very strong winds. They blow at speeds of over 1,800 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a speeding bullet. Neptune has at least a dozen known moons. One of them is called Triton. This moon rotates in the opposite direction as Neptune. Scientists think that Neptune captured Triton long ago. Now we're making a quick stop at Pluto. Pluto is a small icy world. It was considered the 9th planet in the solar system for decades, but it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Pluto has 5 known moons. It might look very pretty in this video, but in reality, Pluto is very dark and extremely cold. And now we're back where we started, the beautiful sun. We flew past 8 amazing planets. Can you name them all? The Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and of course, Pluto, even though it's not a planet anymore. Which planet is your favorite? It's time to go. Our journey through the solar system was truly amazing. We saw huge gas giants, small rocky planets, and even an icy dwarf planet. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. We'll see you next time.